Welcome to this channel. Long locks have been a mark of beauty and youthfulness since old times. It increases your confidence and makes you feel good about yourself. But excessive hair fall, thinning hair, and receding hairline is fast becoming a common problem. Some of the contributing factors to these hair issues include the harsh external environment, genetics, bad hair care practice, and lack of good nutrition. In today's video, you will learn about a simple and extremely effective remedy that is used to prevent hair fall. You will also learn about the worst way to use it and also 2 correct ways it can be used for effective results. If you want to know more about this remedy, please keep on watching. Onion juice has been used since old times for treating hair loss. It may sound like a folk remedy, but it is actually backed by science. Onion has a high amount of sulfur, which is an essential part of amino acid, which are building blocks of proteins that are required for keratin formation and hair growth. Applying onion juice on the scalp also helps to improve circulation and increase the blood supply to the hair follicles, thereby resulting in conditions that favor new and fast hair growth. It also has antibacterial properties which help to prevent scalp infection. Here is how to use onion juice properly for fast hair growth. You will need to peel and wash a medium-sized onion with water. Then grate the onion or use a blender to blend the onion. Warning: do not apply this grated or blended onion paste on your scalp or hair. If you do so, you would have onion pieces stuck in your hair for days, even after rinsing it off with water severally. Here is how to use onion juice for maximum effect and without leaving chunks of onions in your hair. After grating or blending the onions, strain the onions using a strainer or a cheesecloth to obtain the juice. Place about 4 tablespoons of onion juice in a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil to the juice. Mix well. You can add any essential oil of your choice. Pour into an applicator bottle for easy application. That is the first way you can use it. The second way to use the onion juice for effective results: add 1 tablespoon of castor oil to about 4 tablespoons of onion juice. Mix well. Pour into a spray bottle. Then add about 10 drops of any essential oil of your choice. How to use: apply either of the 2 treatments on your scalp and hair and massage gently for a few minutes. Then cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water, then follow up with a mild shampoo and conditioner. Use this treatment once or twice a week for at least 4 to 6 weeks. You can continue using it for a longer duration if you want. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share this video with friends and family. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell notification to be notified anytime new videos are uploaded. Thank you so much for watching.